Everyone, this is a quick tutorial about working with cameras in Rhino 7. So the first thing I do when I'm setting a camera is I draw the eye height of the person, if a person is going to be standing and looking at my design. So I've drawn a line that's 5 feet tall here, which is the average eye height of a person, and I'm going to use that line to establish where my camera is. So I'm going to right click on perspective and hit under set camera. I'm going to go place camera and target. And so what I'm going to first do is select the 5-foot eye height point, and then I'm going to select a target, which the target is what you're looking at or what you're shooting your camera at, and I'm going to click toward my building. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to right click on perspective, hit set camera, and then I'm going to adjust lens length. So if you click that and then you click and hold and move the mouse down, it zooms you out. If you click and zoom and hold the mouse down, it zooms you in. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to set camera again, and I'm going to go rotate camera. So this will allow you to like rotate and rotate the camera around on that point. Now, if you want to adjust the camera in other views, you can. So I'm going to open up some other view windows. In this case, I have the back open, and let's see, here's the right side view. So if you're selected in the perspective view and you type camera, you spell camera correctly, you type camera, you can either show or hide the camera. I have it turned on, yours might be turned off, and if I hit hide, it will turn the camera off in my other views. So typing camera again, and then toggling on to show will bring up the actual camera in these other views. And so I can edit the camera a couple different ways in here to get more exact frames within my perspective. So this dot here, there's these different points. What this is going to do is it's going to move my view up or down. It's the same thing as tilting. This dot here will sort of control that that lens. So moving that up or down is going to change how far the lens length is. So you can edit cameras that way. Moving the camera height, this is setting that camera height. You can move that up and down. I'm going to leave it at 5. But if you set this and you like that angle, you can move the camera itself inside space. So you can move a camera in the same way you'd move an object. It functions similarly. So I'm going to select the camera itself, and then move it, and you can snap it, to different points in your model, and then adjust the lens length and tilting of the view similarly. Once you have a view set that you like, if you get one of your perspective views set, and you like it, so say that was a view that you liked, right click and bring up set view, show named views panel. It opens a window of all the same named views in your file, and you can save and name it. And so this is a good way of working back and forth so you can find your views easily and revert back to them. So sometimes if you have lots of views saved in your file, like I do, it takes a little while. If you don't have a lot of views saved, it's a little faster. To make a new view, to capture this view that I have now, I would hit the plus button. It wants you to save it, name it accordingly, and then from there, once it saves, from there you can either continue moving down the space, or if you want to look around the space, you can go back to set camera and rotate camera. So this is where maybe I wanted to get a look over into one of my spaces, or I wanted to look down into my atrium. You can rotate from that pivot point, or you can continue moving the camera within the space. So that is a quick tutorial on editing and manipulating cameras in Rhino 7. Thank you.